Nice to see that everybody's smartphones worked and got the time changed for today. We're going to go through this morning meeting a little bit slower and a little bit more methodical than we will tomorrow. Hopefully we're kind of picking up our groove then.
All in all, it was fantastic. We were really pleased with how the setup went. The volunteer team brought an incredible amount of energy. Our team relished with that, and we had such a great morning. It was awesome.
You know, 90 people from a bunch of different countries who want to be here, who are excited to be here. Since October, you know, we've been working towards this. It's constantly on our mind.
Year 2 of the overseed has gone really well. There are definitely some things that we learned last year that we really liked, that we replicated. There were some things that we saw that we wanted to kind of change. We're learning how this property responds to the overseed better and how it responds to the different weather patterns that we're faced with throughout the winter.
So it's exciting that we have been able to do this, in my opinion, and moving forward, we can continue to build on a little bit of momentum.
John Deere is always generous enough to supply us with a lot of extra equipment for the tournament. And when, you know, 7 or 8 2700 show up, you know, we don't skip a beat with that, and we're excited to get them out onto the property. So the bucket size on that, they're massive, so we're able to get a whole lot further with those. Love the speed of them, love the setup. The guys were able to seamlessly go between the 2 units.
The 2700s are new to me. We've been using them for a couple weeks, and I think what Deere has done, the 2500 is, I think, one of their best machines. Sturdy, it's durable, you can't beat it, and the Deere triplexes have always been reliable and versatile, and it looks like they've improved on that. You know, if you had a golf course and you had to buy a mower, and you had one mower to mow everything, that might be the one. After day 1, it feels like it should be a very easy week, and I hope everyone gets to enjoy it.
I learned today with our volunteer team that we have an exceptionally high level of professionalism amongst them. We have a unique property here that has a lot of nuances that really need to be explained. They were very good at asking a lot of questions, a lot of pertinent questions. They weren't afraid to ask questions, which is key. When we needed them to stay out on the course a little bit longer, it was all hands on deck to get it done. It was just a great experience this morning, and we're so excited for the rest of the week.